Couple kids in line, looking up like they should. Mama's dreaming eyes and a worker's grin. Same old stars and stripes waving in the wind, and the road said go, go. So I rolled on through. Every mile I burned was a mile I knew. Freedom on the highway, freedom in my bones, freedom in the engine, taking me back home. Hey now, sing it loud, let the whole world know. Freedom on the highway, freedom on the highway. Whoa! When the dark gets long and the dream feels thin, I hear that sweet old shout, rise up again. From the kids out back to the lines who came, there's a fire in us that still calls my name. Freedom on the highway, freedom in my bones, freedom in the engine, taking me back home. Hey now, sing it loud, let the whole world know. Freedom on the highway, freedom on the highway, freedom on the highway, and the whole place rolls again. Woo! I rolled out early with a full tank grin, $2 in my pocket and the world to win. Map on the seat, wind in my face. I hear that promise in every place. Come on, baby, sing it loud. Hear that crowd now, hear that crowd. Freedom on the highway, freedom in my hand. Freedom on the highway, where a dreaming land. Flag on the wind, we keep on rolling, we keep on true. Freedom on the highway, I'm riding with you. The red coupe shining by the diner door, chrome on the fender, seen that before. A coffee and laughter, spill out late. The kids in the back seat can't wait, can't wait. Come on, baby, sing it now. Hear that engine, hear that crowd. Freedom on the highway, freedom in my hand. Freedom on the highway, where a dreaming land.